Hi, I'm here to teach you how to change a flat tire. First, you want to locate your jacket. On my truck, my jack is right here. Now you want to figure out where your jack goes under your vehicle. If you look at your jack, it will show you right here where to put it. On my truck, my jack goes right here. Now, before you jack the truck all the way up and take your tire off the ground, you want to make sure you loosen your lug nuts. Now that you got all your lug nuts loosened, it's time to jack the truck up all the way. Now that the tire is off the ground, you want to fully take your lug nuts off. Okay, after you got all your lug nuts off, you want to remove the tire. And what I like to do is, I like to stick my tire under the truck in case the truck decides to fall, so the tire will catch it. Now you want to locate where your spare tire is. On trucks like mine, you take your tool, go up, and you'll feel it grab. Then you want to start turning to the left to make the tire lower. So now you want to remove your spare tire off the cable. Now you want to put your spare tire on the truck. Make sure you have the tire facing the right way though. Now you want to put your lug nuts on. Now it's time to start lowering your jack. Now that the truck is fully lowered, you want to make sure your lug nuts are all still tight. And when you tighten them, you want to do it in a star way, because if you don't, it will not tighten the tire as well as it should. Now this is the proper way how to change a flat tire.